Hey everybody, so for today's top 3 tips, I'm going to be sharing 3 things that you can do if you are trying to meal prep on a time crunch. Okay, so for all my busy people out there who want to be a little bit better set up for success coming into the week, but you don't have a ton of time. So the first thing that you can do is make sure that you have cleaned, washed, cut all of your fruits and vegetables. As far as your vegetables specifically, if you just have them cut and washed and ready to go and put them in little snack bags or sandwich bags, then you can just take it on the go to have for a snack. You can take it to throw on top of a salad, dip them in some hummus, whatever the case may be. But just having those packed and ready to go will guarantee you to have just something quick and healthy that you can grab and take with you. And it doesn't take long to clean them and cut them and put them in the baggies. Now, if you really want to save some time, go for your mini vegetables. So your baby carrots that obviously don't take a lot of prep work at all. The mini cucumbers are awesome too, because you can just wash them, slice the ends off, and just munch on those whole. And the mini bell peppers are amazing too. My son will just eat those whole, like even the stem and the seeds, everything. But they're delicious just to crunch on, but you don't have to do anything to prep them besides wash them. So check out those mini vegetables if you want something that's easy to just wash, throw in a bag, and take with you. Tip number 2 is hard-boiled eggs. You guys, these are so versatile. Like, you can use them in so many different ways. If you just want to have a couple to grab to take with you for a snack, throw some everything but the bagel seasoning on top and munch on those. You could slice them up real quick to put them on some avocado toast. You could make like an avocado egg salad or something like that, or slice them up and put them on top of a salad. But hard-boiled eggs are amazing if you need something that is quick and versatile and doesn't take a lot of prep work. You could do it if you have an Instant Pot or on your stove top. What I've been doing is I actually will put them into little muffin tins. I'll set my oven to 300 degrees and I'll bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes, then get them into an ice bath right after, let them sit for a little bit, and then peel them, and they're ready to go for the week. And then the third tip is rotisserie chicken. So if you have time to bake your own chicken and have that ready to go, of course, that's something else versatile that you can have on its own or put on a salad or make something else with. But if you're in a time crunch, again, get a rotisserie chicken or 2 and you can just pull the chicken right off, throw it on some salad, make a chicken salad with avocado or Greek yogurt, or just have it on its own. But another great time saver that's a pretty healthy option. So anyhow, I hope those tips are helpful for those of you looking to save some time and come into the week feeling a little bit more prepared with your healthy choices. Hope you guys have a great day.